Ready Aim, How Firearms Work. Firearms and drawings from the museum collection map the long technical evolution toward a reliable tool that fires at the moment of need in all weather and circumstance. Pete Sheeran of the Spokane Falls Muzzleloaders and friends of the Spokane House demonstrates an American Caplock Rifle for the exhibit, which runs November 15th through April 2008.
This is a Caplock rifle. It uses a cap on a nipple instead of the flint striking a spark off the frizzen as in the flintlock mechanism. This is a later development, actually developed about the turn of the 1800s, but didn't come into real vogue until around 1820 to 30. And they were still making flintlock rifles much later in the century, particularly for trade with the natives in Africa and also in America and some of the Asian areas. And other than the mechanism for firing, this is pretty much the same loading sequence that we used for the other firearms. This one being a rifle that shoots a round ball. We're going to use powder patch ball again. And it was pretty common in the later 1800s to use cut patches instead of cutting your own as I did before. This is an original tin from the 1800s, and I think I have some of the original caps in here from that time. We'll try one of those. Probably about a 120-year-old cap, and it just went off fine. So it's been stored properly.